Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you best free of cost app locker that requires password to uninstall for Android smartphones and tablets. So without further delay, let's begin. So firstly, just open any web browser and the Google search for one application name as AppLock by Pranav Purwar. On the first list you'll see its developer website. Just click on it. Now just scroll down below and we'll see here releases. Just click on it. Now scroll down below again. Now we'll see here app release.apk. So you need to download this APK file. Now click on open. Click on install. So finally installation has been completed. Now just click on open. Now just click on this next. Click on next. Click on next. Now just turn on this app lock. Move back. Click on next, click on next, click on allow, click on next again, click on allow, click on next. Now you can select your different option. So I'll recommend to use the first one, the accessibility service. Click on next, click on next. Now click on this install apps. Now if you see this grayed out option app lock, you can see here it's showing controlled by restricted settings. Then you can watch my respective video on how to enable this restricted settings. So I'll just skip it right now. So now you can see I have enabled this option. Now after that, just move back, click on next, click on get started. Now you need to set a pin. So let me set a pin. Just reconfirm your pin. So now you can see the user interface of this application. So say let me select some applications. Say just to give an example, Chrome. You can select multiple applications. So now after enabling it, you can minimize this app. So let me try to open a Chrome application. Now you can see it's asking a password or a pin to use this application. So it's working perfectly. Now in order to make this application undeletable, what you need to do is just click on the settings option. And now below here you can see your anti-uninstall. So just enable it. Click on enable. Click on activate. Type your password. Now we are done. Now let us try to delete this application. So let me click on this uninstall. Click on OK. So you can see the app is still showing. We are unable to delete this application. So in my opinion, it's one of the best free of cost app locker that requires password to uninstall for Android smartphones and tablets that you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.